Okay, number 16 on the lead, still number 85, still coming through, 14 on the third, and number 8 on the fourth. Okay, number 14 now is on the lead, number 6 inside the crop. Right to take the curves, and then taking the lead is number 14, or number 16. Go on, okay. Okay, number 14 now is taking the lead over number 16, 85 on the third, number 8 on the fourth. Number 14 is taking considerable lead with number 14 and 85 taking the second one. Number 8 still number 8. Number 14, number 14 still on the big lead. While number 85 is still taking the last score for the triple up, and this is the third lap. This is the triple drop, and number 14 is way ahead of the group. Okay, number 14, still the lead, number 85, still on. The second, number 8 on the third. This is for the last lap. This is for the last lap. Number 14 still on a considerable lead. Number 85 still trying to catch up with number 8 on the third. On the contest with number 8 on the third. This is for the win. This is for the win. This is for the last jump. Oh, number 14 in third place for the notice. Number 85 on the second. And number 8 taking the third place.